This chart illustrates the great information repricing of the mid-2020s. Look at the severe drop in traditional web traffic as AI overviews and zero-click search engines absorb the audience. When publishers lose direct traffic, the ad revenue model that funds them fails. This threatens the very survival of fact-based reporting. It leaves us with a question. If investigative newsrooms can't afford to keep the lights on, who is going to synthesize deep cross-border issues like global geopolitics or environmental shifts? The Mpelembe Network responded by pivoting. They didn't start as a major media conglomerate. Their roots are in Zambia's Copperbelt, where they operated as a local educational testing community. To survive the current web, publishers must stop chasing cheap clicks and build systems native to the Agentic Era, automating how intelligence is gathered and verified. Developer and technology analyst Sam Mpelembe spearheaded the platform's architectural transformation, migrating the network onto a native Google Cloud ecosystem. The platform replaces passive chatbot prompts with an interconnected network of software agents that communicate and execute tasks directly. Look at the Moltbook AI Agent Manager. It acts as a master routing node, delegating complex queries to specialized peripheral agents. These independent agents run multi-step workflows, verify raw data, and pass structured information back without human monitoring. The primary ingestion engine feeding this network is called the Mpelembe Insights AI Article Analyzer. The analyzer pulls in massive volumes of raw web data and strips out the noise. It distills complex publications into objective summaries and assigns specific sentiment scores to the text. A legacy newsroom takes days to process this kind of information into a narrative. This autonomous architecture does it continuously, surfacing verified truth faster than a human team. The AI analyzer is currently processing and publishing intelligence across 3 global verticals: environment, science, and geopolitics. In their environmental reporting, the network analyzed how extreme heat acts as a severe neuroenvironmental stressor. Rising temperatures cause cerebral hyperthermia in wildlife, leading to neuroinflammation and rapid cognitive decline. Contrast that with their data on Lake Kariba. Following a severe drought, above-average rainfall restored water levels to over 42%, allowing the Zambezi River Authority to triple its hydroelectric power output. On the science front, the platform parses complex bioinformatics. They mapped the engineering behind colossal biosciences, detailing how 3D-printed artificial eggs replicate the gas exchange properties of natural shells. They also process deep geological intelligence. By analyzing mantle gases bubbling up from geothermal springs, the network confirmed that the continental crust in Zambia's Kafue Rift is actively splitting apart to form a new ocean. Finally, in geopolitics, the network tracked Zambia's response to an unregulated gold rush. Instead of relying on military intervention, the state implemented formal commercial integration to stabilize the artisanal mining sector. These reports require the correlation of high-level, cross-disciplinary intelligence, the kind of information that standard search algorithms often bury. The future of digital media is no longer about human writers competing with AI for cheap advertising revenue. Mpelembe's strategy bypasses retail ads entirely. As raw global noise enters the top of this funnel, it filters through their AI layer and outputs highly structured data blocks directly to institutional clients. These clients, corporate entities and tech platforms like Google Cloud, pay a premium for verified geopolitical and scientific analysis they can trust. This B2B revenue then loops back to fund the network's local community initiatives, preserving human connection even as the platform embraces digital automation. The Mpelembe Network shows how regional communities can navigate the 2026 Internet by integrating with autonomous agent systems. By providing high-fidelity truth to institutional clients, they've secured a stable place in an increasingly automated landscape.